Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed and styled this frontal. If this is why you are here, just keep watching. Okay guys, so first of all I started cleaning her forehead with this spirit. Yeah, that's spirit. Okay guys, so after cleaning the forehead, then I applied this got to be spray. I'm just using it with my blow dryer to slick down her like her front hair, because I wouldn't want to be laying the glue where her front hair is still there, so I have to just slick it down and make it like bow and start a place. Okay guys, so after that I placed the hair on her head, and I already marked the line where I want the glue to be, of course, because I'm not a pro. Okay, so I marked it, then I begin to put my glue down. I put the glue, like I have to do like 3 coatings before I will be okay, because like my client is going to carry this hair for a while. So I just put them there, and then I spread generously. I just make sure the spray, like when I'm spreading it, I make sure that I spread it very very well. Okay, so I spread, and then everything was okay. I have to let it dry. So each coating I do, I make sure I spread it very very well and make sure it dries up before I begin to place another one. So after that I place the hair on her head, and then I comb back, and I have to tie it down to secure it before I begin to cut down the lace. Okay guys, and remember, when I'm cutting the lace, I have to cut in a zigzag motion. I don't cut straight because I don't want it to be straight, so I have to cut in a zigzag motion. Okay, so yeah, that is it. And again, when I was equally doing this, I have to leave some part. So I mean, I didn't really place the glue like everywhere I would want the head to get to. I just I left some front parts, and then afterwards I go back to it, and then I begin to add the glue, because I wouldn't want the glue to actually come out, like, because if the glue actually passes where the net is going to be, when you start doing your makeup, you're going to be seeing the line. So I do try to avoid that. So where I place the glue, I make sure like I will still have to go back and fix something there. Okay guys, so after doing that, I begin to comb the hair down. I make sure that like the hair was already slick, like I've done my part, I've done what I'm supposed to do. And then I have to go back and do the baby hair, the place she want the baby hair. Like, she didn't want the baby hair everywhere, this is just the places she wanted, so I'm trying to fix the baby hair there. Okay guys, so I'm not really the best in fixing baby hair, I just do my best. Honestly, I'm not the best. Okay, so moving on, I have to just try and style. Like, she wanted a simple style, just a simple style. And let me even say this my client, like, this was not actually the hair she had in mind. She wanted something crazy in mind, but at the end of the day, something happened, so we have to go for this. Okay guys, so some parts didn't really look so plucked. I didn't pluck it so well like I want. Like I said, this was not the style we are going for, so I have to now go back. When I parted it, I have to go back and pluck again, so that it's going to give me the more flat and more natural look. So I was just taking my time to pluck, and guys, I'm not really the best in plucking, but I do my best. Okay guys, so I have to pluck and make sure that everything is okay, and after that I'm using my wax stick to slick it down, and equally using this hot comb to slick everything down, just to make sure that everything is okay. And at this point guys, I have to ask my client to be still, stable, don't move, because this hot comb is not anybody's mate. Okay guys, so after that I tied the hair down. Sorry that I didn't show that, because a lot of people came to the video, and I have to use this clip to hold it to get ready for makeup. Okay guys, so at this point we are done with the makeup, and I have to now do the final styling of the hair before I did the makeup already, and remaining the lips. So we have to do the final styling of the hair before we get over to the lips. Okay guys, so I was just using my spray bottle and the water, and a lot of things. Honestly, I don't really remember their names. Like this I'm spraying, somebody recommended it for me, I don't really know the name. And guys, so I actually did the spray, we arranged the hair, we styled, we did everything, and this was the end of the video. Guys, this is beautiful, I know you love it. Subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to put on your post notification.